What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to unbox the brand new CIVIVI King Nadder. Just got it in today from Blade HQ. Try to hurry up and knock out a video. Wow, this thing didn't really want to open at all. Before every other reviewer in the world gets to it, let's get to it. Okay, so we got our cleaning cloth and CIVIVI brand instructions. Read this before opening your knife and cutting your finger off. Okay, good. We don't need any of that stuff there. Nice little handy case. This knife is about 75 bucks from pretty much everybody. Blade HQ, Knife Center, they all have it. And the handle is green micarta. Nice deep carry pocket clip there. That's pretty nice. Feels good. Ooh, yeah, that flips good. It is a liner lock. Lockup looks pretty good. A little hard to pick up there with that black inside liner lock. Little bit of a recurve Tanto. Pretty nice, not bad. The blade steel is N690, Bohler N690, so pretty good. Ooh, yeah, that is nice and drop shotty on that. And it is on bearings. Yeah, that is smooth. Yes, sir. No effort to close this sucker. Yep, and it flips good. Spidey flick, yeah. Yeah, that's smooth. Thumb flick, yep. This is This is definitely a fidget knife, definitely, for sure. It looks like you can move the pocket clip from one side to the other if you're, a lefty. I guess, there's an extra hole right there, so I imagine you just pull that screw out and the screws. Nice recessed screws on that pocket clip, too. That is nice. Yeah, that's nice deep carry pocket clip. Nice recessed screws. Yeah, that's pretty. It's nice. Got a nice feel to it, too. Not slippery. Sometimes the micarta can be a little slip, almost like it's coated, but this feels pretty good. Like I said, that action is pretty good. Yeah, smooth opening and closing. Yeah, so overall length is 8¼ inches. It's got a 3.5 inch, 3.5 inch blade, 3.5 inch cutting edge. Got a nice sharpening tool there. Kind of keeps everything in line. So when you're sharpening, and or cutting, even the thumb stud is kind of in line. So pretty much all your cutting tasks are going to be, since it's a slight recurve, you're going to be right there. So it's going to be really good for cutting. It feels good in the hand. I like big knives personally, but for a small knife, this feels really good in the hand, I gotta say. And that micarta, I don't have a problem saying that today, feels good too. Doesn't feel slippery, slick. The jimping up here, non-aggressive, but it does get some, you can definitely get some traction on your thumb. And it's not super aggressive, but it's just carved just right to where if you're putting pressure on it, you feel it. You get traction off of it. So that's it's a nice blade. Not super aggressive Tanto, but aggressive enough. Smooth action. It is effortless on the close. Just drop shotty. So yeah, that was my fault, not the knife. So yeah, it's very, very fidgety. Nice, numerous deployments. Yeah, feels good. Sharp knife, not too bad. I was on the fence with this knife. I really was. I was like, okay. I don't know. And I thought about it, you know, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get it because I'll kick myself in the butt. You got some, you can just barely tell in there, they got some cutting out of the liner there, the lightening of the liner on the one side, not on the other side. So, you know, to not, well, I guess, yeah, there's a little bit of chamfer, a little bit of a carve out there. But yeah, this is a nice little knife. Super drop shotty. It's easy to flick when you get your finger in the right spot there. But yeah, it's a pretty cool knife. I think this will be a joy. And if you like deep carry, that sucker is going to carry deep. Yeah, it will carry deep. Green isn't too bad. Like I said, the micarta, I have a problem with that word today. Really feels good in the hand. This is going to be a pretty enjoyable knife. And for, like I said, $75, guys, damn. I mean, that's a pretty good price. Get my finger on that thumb stud. So yeah, I mean, they're not huge thumb studs, but they certainly will get the job done. I mean, when you get your finger in the right spot there. But that flipper tab's cool too. Just bam. Yeah. Super fidgety. Definitely. No play, no nothing. Just total secure lockup. Nice little stone wash on that blade too. This will be a good worker little knife, man. You know, fidgety. Good price. That blade's sharp too. That just caught my thumb. yeah. This is gonna be a cool little knife. I can definitely tell it's gonna be a nice little fidget friendly knife. And like I said, for you know, it's typical CIVIVI. You know, I haven't had too many CIVIVIs. I've handled obviously the Elementum. I don't own one, but I've handled one. My buddies, and yeah, I was pretty impressed with it. And I'm like, that we need that in a Tanto, and that's basically what this is. This is basically that knife, more give or take, you know. I mean, same fidget friendly aspects of it, you know. So pretty cool knife so far. I like it. I will carry it and see how it carries. You know, I'm not a huge deep carry pocket clip person, but that pocket clip looks pretty good. And the screws recess is gonna sit in your pocket really good, and it is fidget friendly. I like that, man. I like drop shotty. Yeah, super smooth, man. Oof. Yeah, this is a cool knife, guys. If you've got the extra money, I would probably consider checking one out. But you know, you wait for my full review, and we'll see how she holds up with, you know, deploying lots of deployments, hard deployments, and just really just getting fidgety with it and see how it holds up. But I don't think it's going to be a problem. CIVIVI really has been doing good with knives. So let's see if I mean, yeah, you know, so the hardness is 60 HRC, you know, compound grind. So pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. Nice, cool forward. I mean, for all the little details and everything, it's a pretty cool knife. Yeah, I can tell I'll have a little bit of a problem putting this thing down. I mean, just, it's light in the hands, fidget friendly, just super drop shotty. I mean, just bam. Yeah, cool. Very cool knife for $75. You gotta love that when you can score a really cool knife that feels good in the hand. You know, you just want to feel like getting out there and doing some cutting with it, and if you're bored, just sitting there fidgeting with it, you know, just whatever, you know, just that's what I like my knives for. Get them cutting tasks from time to time, and you know, be fidget friendly when I'm bored. So, well, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because we always got more coming. So make sure you do hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time on the next one, guys. Have a great day.